What's happening, guys? Today I worked pretty hard on the truck getting it polished, and I made a lot of changes to the front end, and I put new shocks on the front end, and I did a lot of work, a lot of show prep. We'll see if it pays off. I mean, not expecting to win anything, but to me, having the thing look super clean and you know, especially if some of you guys are coming out to the show, you know, I just really would like, I really want it to just look as best as I can possibly get it, you know, and that's it, nothing more. But anyways, I had a really long day today. Didn't record too much of anything. Only thing I did is post a couple things to Instagram, but yeah, I just think I'm probably gonna bring you guys along to kind of show you guys what it, you know, I guess not what it takes, but just kind of show you guys like a before and after and stuff, and kind of in depth go around the truck and show you guys what all I've done. And then when we get to the show, when we get to the videos where I'm actually showing stuff, where I'm, you know, leading up to the show, at the show, I'll do a walk around the truck, and really show you guys, and maybe do like a spec slash what all is done to the truck, because I know a lot of you guys have been asking, what are the specs, where did you get these parts and whatever. So we'll be sure to do that. But anyways, guys, again, like, I can't ask you guys for anything more. I mean, thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for supporting for this long even. Really appreciate you guys. See you soon. All right, guys, today was a very, very, very busy day. Okay, where do we start? First things first, I want to give a really big, huge shout out to Greg LaRue, who put this truck together for me in the first place, and also Tony. Tony's always helped me out with a lot of the small stuff that I've had to deal with the truck and stuff like that, but we'll get right to it and show you guys the half fenders. So these are the new brackets. So they come in here off the suspension, and I'm gonna get some caps for these because this is kind of an eyesore, but it frees up all that area in there. And once we get to the truck show, all this will be super clean and very sanitary. But anyways, we got the new fenders on, brand new, just freshly painted. And it swings back and around, so there's no notching of the fender at all. And then one more trick thing that Tony did, we took the hood prop off here, and Tony pretty much had an idea that without, so this, let me know what you guys think about this so far. This to me almost looks stock. Tony chopped that hood prop off and pretty much made this filler panel himself with his own ideas. So we both agreed that this portion here was just way too blunt, and so had him, he did that for me today while I was working, and yeah, it looks perfect, man. Very clean. But shout out to Tony, shout out to Greg and all his guys. Definitely getting me dialed in before the truck show. But anyways, guys, we'll see you guys in the next clip. Thanks. The road to the show. Let's get in line here. You guys already know what time it is. Starbucks. Anyways, I feel like I got so much to do and I don't feel like I'm gonna accomplish it at all. Like, I still gotta polish the wheels, and I still want to do the inside wheels. Try not to let it bother me, but can only do what I can do. So anyways, guys, it's like 7 in the morning. Got to sleep in a little bit, and gonna get some Starbucks and then load the truck up with all my stuff. I hope I have some time. I want to kind of, you know, wax and buff the paint a little bit on the truck, but we'll see what we have time for. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay, so today is the day. Today's the day. It's Tuesday. I'm leaving. I'm heading out for the truck show this weekend in Red Bluff, California. Tonight I'm going to be able to make it to the bay. I got a load that I'm going to be heading down to the bay, getting reloaded, I think in Sacramento, and then I should have plenty of time to make it back to Corning to get a shower, to get the truck all prepped, and I should have about a day and a half more in Corning to get the truck prepped. So stick around and let's see how this week ends up going, right? I'm stressed out. All right, time to unload the truck into the truck. Man, guys, I finally did it. All the years I've been coming up here, I never had a chance to stop here. But you know what? Today I was coming up, planned my trip a little bit earlier, and I'm like, you know what? I gotta stop. I gotta stop. This is beautiful, man. Beautiful. Look at this. As much as we drive by a lot of this nice scenery, sometimes you take it for granted. This, I don't know, it just gives me the chills, man. Like, just being out here and it's sunny and the overwhelming amount of trees right there. I mean, that's overwhelming, the amount of trees and thick woods behind me. Like, it gives me the chills, man. And then you can hear the water way down there. Man, the water's just rushing, white water down there. And then you have this badass graffiti right here. I wish I would have brought a can, man. Bring back my high school days. But yeah, let me walk over here and show you guys what the truck looks like. Just beautiful, man. Always took this spot for granted. Try not to get bit by a snake. Always took this spot for granted. Look at that. Wow. This spot is just beautiful. I mean, look at that. All right, I can't stay here all day, even though I'd love to spend at least another hour exploring over here. But I'm just doing a quick once over on tires and looking at the trailer, make sure everything looks good. But you know, just making sure everything looks good on the trailer and on the truck. And we're good. We're gonna keep on rolling. Yeah, guys, I mean, damn. Just damn. Look at that. Just, man. Can't beat that. All right, guys, so we're here, gonna get loaded. I'm in the dock, looking good. It's funny, this dock, I was able to put the bumper on the ground. Look at that. All right, guys, so just made it into Cali, got loaded a little bit ago, stopped off at my favorite diner, Cinders, got a quick bite to eat, got a milkshake. Right now we're trucking it into Cali. I hate these 2-lane roads, man. People try to pass in the wrong places. Anyways, yeah, we're trucking it into Cali right now. And so far, everything's really smooth today, man. Beautiful weather, everything's going great. I don't know what I was gonna tell you guys, but anyway, stay tuned, man. You know I got good stuff to show you guys. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. It's a little nicer, I'm sorry. Sorry, I get a little hostile sometimes when I'm feeling good. Anyways, guys, I'll see you on the next one. That's what I was gonna say. Trucking through here, 2-lane roads off 97, almost to Weed. And these guys, man, I just love seeing these guys working. I mean, you got all the hay haulers running through here. You got the cattle haulers. You got, you know, different flatbed guys. You got reefers running through here. You see some cool trucks off of the forbidden path, man. Like off out here in these, you know, kind of remote areas. See some cool stuff. So, yeah, man, I just love Cali, man. Love it. Man, if those guys find this channel, I really appreciate you guys. I was here at the rest area off 97. I heard a leak. Well, I didn't even hear the leak. What happened, I just started seeing my gauges. Luckily, I watch my gauges so much. I saw my passenger side losing air, driver's side was gaining air. So there's obviously a leak in my airlines for the airbags up front. And clearly the turbo sits right here. So it ended up burning through my hardline. First time that's ever happened. Luckily those guys were here and gave me a little sleeve of some fuel hose, and it fits perfectly over my line. And I got some Gorilla Tape, and I'm just gonna Gorilla Tape around it, and we're gonna call that good. Hopefully that holds, and until I can get another airline. So anyways, if you guys are watching this, I greatly appreciate you guys. I'm here at the 97, I'm in California, almost to Weed. Definitely appreciate you guys for helping me out, getting me back on the road that quick. So thanks. All right, guys, made it here to my hiding spot in San Leandro, and yeah, good night. I'll see you guys in the morning. Maybe it's morning. You don't even know. You don't even know. You can't see anything. No, it's nighttime. Anyways, guys, good night. Hey, good morning, guys. Just waking up here in San Leandro. Oh man, I'm exhausted, but hey, we're gonna head over to go get this lumber or this plywood unloaded, and yeah, maybe I can get some Starbucks with a mobile order. We'll see. But yeah, let's get over there. So I've never had Uber Eats delivered on a bike, but they say this lady's coming on a bike, so. So we already got a door. They say dock number 5. So I'm gonna go here to the guard and see what he says. All right, guys, so we got loaded. Just stopping over here to get some fuel. This is probably one of the coolest places. I'll show you in a second. They put the DEF system almost right where my hood is. So, you know, when I fill up my DEF, it's like literally perfect. I don't even have to move. So, yep. All right, guys, we made it here to Corning. Vacation starts now. See the tacos, you know what time it is. See the rice here in Corning. I'm just gonna listen to a little bit of Trucking Velox 18. He's up in Oregon. It's funny. He goes up, I'm coming down. It is what it is, man. I hope I get to see him before he takes off to Tennessee. And if you are not following Nick with Trucking Velox 18, or it's Trucking California with Velox 18, if you're not following him, you gotta go follow him. Very, very good guy, very down to earth, a lot of information. Go follow him. But anyways, guys, we're gonna eat right now, and then I'll be heading to go get some more work done on the truck. So I'll show you guys that in a bit. All right, guys, we got all showered up over here at Rolling Hills Casino. I got the truck washed. Now I'm gonna head back to Stewart's shop and keep detail on this thing. We're gonna start parking trucks tomorrow at the truck show. I still got a lot of work to do, so. Clearing out a bay spot so I could work in here. So, heck yeah. All right, guys, we're here, still busting my butt. Solo dolo. I brought the trailer in here. I got these wheels polished, and then I did the other wheels on this side. I did the quarter fenders as best I could. So quarter fenders, and then I did my steer axle, steers, mirror brackets. I've been buffing paint, did the sleeper, did the whole frame, and I just did the wheels here. So I'm hard at it, man, hard at it. Hey, what's happening, guys? After a long day of polishing, doing lights, fixing my air tank, fixing this, fixing that. Quick story, last night, I go to polish these wheels. I could only do 2. I was so tired. I go to polish these 2 wheels, and after, you know, the night's over, I'm putting tools away, doing this, doing that. Well, this trailer has a tire inflation system, and it has a line that goes from the hub to the tire, and it constantly feeds that tire 110 pounds of air pressure, whatever it is. I put the line inside of the hose, and then the hose pretty much snapped off as I started driving. So anyways, I'm here at Speedco, and hopefully these guys get me all taken care of and can get me back on the road with the same tire, because I've only driven like 1.5 miles, so hopefully they can hook me up with that. And while I have you guys here, I want to show you guys the underglow that I got going on now. Switch some underglow up. It's almost making a sad face back here or something like that. Got some crisscross patterns in there. Also added some like accent lighting in there, in the front cross member and in the rear cross member, to make it seem like these two lights are doing all of that, when that section there is actually part of the accent lighting. And then now the front accent lighting is actually almost reaching forward, so looks good.